When did we lose our bearings? Since when did cities become cruel and inhospitable places? Since when do we get used to breathing in poisonous gases? Since when does obesity dominate our cities?
We're a generation that was born prisoner of progress. A generation that has become prisoner of an accelerated and meaningless development. We are the victims of an improvised economy which devours itself to induce growth.
But we are also a well-prepared generation. We master technology and we use it to redefine our cities.
We want to go back to the time where we could dream about cities in harmony with nature. We want to have again spaces to listen to each other, to share, where words and ideas can fly free.
Together we want to design cities where the destination is the journey itself, where the important thing is not to arrive but to be there.
We want to transform our cities, to bring them back to a human scale. We have the inspiration, enthusiasm and energy, but we cannot do it alone. We need you by our side. We need you to push your areas of influence and bring and offer us your experience and support.
Whether you are a businessman, a journalist, a manager, if you are professional, responsible, capable, rise up and help us to reinvent our streets and cities.